Welcome back, everybody. This is going to be the fourth and last episode, so stick around to the end because you're not going to want to miss out how you seat the bullet at the very end. So let's get started. So previously in this die set, we used the decapping pin and resizing. Now the only other die that you might have is the seating die. And I'm going to show you how to set this up. I'm going to go ahead and run your press all the way down. Lower your die until it barely touches the case neck. And once you feel it hit that case neck, you just want to back off about a half turn and go ahead and tighten that lock ring. Once that lock ring is set, what I like to do is I want to loosen this top stem. This is what pushes your bullet down. The die body, if you were to screw that in, what it'll do is it'll actually apply some sort of a crimp. So we don't want to crimp it yet. We just want to get the length of the case. We want to back off this seating stem. This is what we've prepped for this whole time. We are shooting 243. We're going to be shooting 87 grain Hornady VMAX bullet. We have already put the large rifle primers in there, and we're going to be reloading it with MagPro, 52.5 being the maximum, of course. So I've already tested and confirmed these. I'm going to be reloading 47.5 grains. And that's 47.5. So that is exactly what we need here. So let's go ahead and throw that in the case. I like to grab something like this, a little funnel, and put this on top. Level it off, and with this scale here, no matter what you have, either manual or electric scale, it's all going to work the same. The correct powder charge, once you do, just go ahead and put that in the case. Now since we have this primer in there, now we know that the powder isn't going to fall through the flash hole. Grab your funnel, same like last time. These are the Hornady VMAX bullets that we'll be shooting today. So once you verify that there's powder in there, go ahead and grab your bullet and just seat that right in the neck. And now when this is sitting there, you know it's ready to be pressed and reloaded. Since this is our seating stem, we want to go ahead and lower that until it touches the top of the bullet. And right now we're kind of just guessing. What we want to do is lower this stem little by little until we get to our overall length, and I'll show you how to check that. Our overall length that we want to be at is going to be the 2.640. So let's go ahead and run this first cartridge through, and we're going to see how close we are to that overall length. And slowly, if you do it too fast, what ends up happening is you get that bullet crunched in between the shoulder of the case, and when that happens, you get a crimp. All we did right there is just seat the bullet. So right now we are 2.650, and we are going to need 40, so just a little bit more. We are 2.640. So now this round is complete. It's successfully reloaded and it's ready to shoot. So just go ahead and put that right back in there, and the one that's squished down a little bit lower is going to be the one that's ready to fire.